YouTube, what's going on, fellas? Ferocious Mgtow here, and I'm finally back in the city. I had to finagle some time because I was short about 30 minutes outside the city, so I went on and finagled some time and still brought it on home. So they may want to talk to me on Monday, but you know, I'm just gonna be like, hey, look, I was close. I didn't feel like stopping, spending another night on the road, so I brought it on in. So they probably have something to say to me tomorrow, but I mean on Monday. But it is what it is. You know, I take my little verbal lashing and keep it moving. You feel me? I just left the gym, and I did basically abs and legs. That's it. I'll get back there again in the morning and do the rest of the workout. Man, that's a good. Is that a Hellcat? No, that's not a Hellcat. Look like one though. Tomorrow I get in there and get a full body workout. I get in there early. I need to get an oil change on the Black Beauty. I'm in the Black Beauty now, and I also got to get a oil change on the Big Bird, but that'll be on Monday. I'm gonna try to get the AC looked at on Monday. I'm gonna try to get the windshield replaced by Safe Light or somebody on Monday. Try to get the tires on Monday. Oil change on Monday. So I'm gonna try to do all that. We'll see if I get it all done. Then I need to Tuesday morning get up and go get my 90-day, and then see what the dispatch can find me from Tuesday to Friday. At least find me at least one load. Look at this idiot right here. Y'all see him? Just blew past. It's only 55 right here. I'm gonna go another. What the? I don't get it. What the hell are you racing for? Bastards ain't going to work. Lord have mercy. They're gonna kill somebody for no reason. You know what I mean? Damn, they're so happy to be driving. What the fuck? I don't get it. I guess I do, because when I was young, I did some stupid stuff, so I guess I can't come down on them too bad. But at the same time, shit, hey, don't kill your damn self. At least I didn't kill my damn self. You know what I mean? They gonna kill themselves doing nothing. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna try to get all that done on Monday. So we'll see how I go. I'm gonna be running like a chicken with my head cut off to get it done. That way I can salvage the week and see what he can find me. Because we already gonna put together a game plan on Monday to figure out what we're gonna do. But in the meantime, at least I'm home. Went to Walmart, but they didn't have my hummus chips. They was out of them, so I'm finna slide over here to this little spot, this little Walmart in Indiana here, and see if they got the hummus chips that I like. I just got some what the heck is that? That butt naked juice. I wanted one of those, so I got that, and that was it. And go back, I'm gonna make salmon salad for dinner, and I need to get some kale. I think that's all I need is some kale. I got everything else. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the evening. I might get my clothes together and salvage my time and go to the laundromat. It is a 24-hour laundromat. I think it's in, I don't know where that's at. I think it's in Hammond. I think it's in Hammond, Indiana, I believe. Because I'm right near Hammond. So I'm gonna slide over there, probably wash my clothes up, so at least that's out the way. And cruise to YouTube streets while I'm waiting for my clothes to get clean. See if I can do a review while I'm there, because there's usually nobody there on a Saturday night, you know what I mean? So I could probably get me a review in, give you all a little bit more content for today. Those videos that I gave you from me driving at midnight, for whatever reason, they wouldn't load through my normal way, so I had to go through another app and got them loaded, and then lo and behold, they loaded up so fast, I was like, what the hell? They loaded up in like hell, less than 5 minutes. The other ones, they would take like an hour to load. So I'm so glad they didn't load today. So now I figured out something very very good time saver. So I'm so glad that they didn't load today, because I uploaded them last night around 3 a.m. and I still couldn't get it done. They kept saying something. I forgot what kind of error it was, but I went to another app and shoot, they loaded in 5 minutes. I'm like, what? Oh yeah, so it's on and popping. I'm gonna be using that sucker more often. But yeah, guys, I just figured I'd get in and show y'all I'm in the Black Beauty now. It's dusty and dirty. Lord have mercy. You know, that lot where we park at is mostly gravel, so 50,000 trucks come through there kicking up dust, so it don't make no sense to go get this sucker washed, because it ain't gonna do nothing but get dirty the very next 5 minutes. So, but I may go to the hand car wash joint and just spray it off. It just looks so terrible. People be looking at me like, man, he in a nice ass truck, but it's filthy, but they don't understand like where I parked this sucker at, but it's all good. I figured I'd come over here to the Walmart. Y'all hear that? That V8, that Hemi baby, and the Hemi gang. I'm gonna have to come up with a new club name for us, the Hemi gang. You know what I mean? Woo! It'd be like feeling like a kid with a new toy when I get back into the Black Beauty. I be at the Big Bird so much. You know what I mean? I be in that sucker shoe all the time, baby. This Walmart usually always packed, boy. But they usually have it, so hopefully they got it. Go a bunch of BWs, young, out of shape BWs already. Lord have mercy. It's a damn shame. And he got him a nice old Hispanic there, an old wagon. She got that old wagon, baby. No, he be digging off in that. I know you do, fam. But yeah, guys, I figured I'd give you a little footage just to show you what Ferocious Mgtow do when he get back. Went to the gym, got abs in, I got legs in. So at least that's out the way. I was on the treadmill for 40 minutes, just walking, brisk walk. I don't get on there and do no running. Look, they got carts all in the freaking street. What the hell they workers at? Don't make no sense. Mess around and getting scarred up your car, messing around. Let me see. Should I go up further? Yeah, I think I could go. Let's see. What you looking at, little mama? You'll get it too. You'll sure get it. She's looking all over here. This is a problem for you right here, baby. Put this bedroom bully on your ass. How you wanted to slash my tires, you know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that CW there, boy. She got a nose like the Wicked Witch of the West. You can tell she on meth or something. She doing something crack. Yeah. Got the trailer park finest, baby. Yeah, the trailer park finest out here, baby. Indiana. Old BW. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up early. I'm gonna get the Black Beauty oil change because it's time. I don't feel like driving to the dealership, but it's an hour and a half drive to the dealership. I ain't doing that, so I'm just gonna go to Pet Boys. That's not too far around the corner from the gig, and get the oil change, and then from there I'm taking my butt straight to the gym and getting it in. I'm doing bicep, triceps. I'm doing shoulders, lats. Excuse me. I'm doing chest and rear delts. That's what I'm doing tomorrow. So I just wanted to give you guys a little content of me driving in the Black Beauty. She's dirty as hell. I mean, like filthy. But you know, it is what it is. I ain't finna wash it because every time I wash it, be looking very, you know what I'm saying, very clean. Then all of a sudden I come back, it's like I never had a car wash. Hold on, guys. I got to put this freaking mask on. Gotta put the mask on. Gotta put the mask on. So I got my card in my pocket. I got my key. Look how dirty she is. Sucker is filthy. So I got my Jordans on. I got my Jordans on today, you see them? Got the Jordans on today, baby. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and let you see the other side. That sucker, look how dirty that sucker is. It's all good though. I'll get a chance to wash it maybe tomorrow, especially if I go see my nieces and stuff. But let me go, guys. I'll bring you another one later. All right, peace and hair grease.